Students, today we are going to do exercise 7.4 and question number 1 of exercise 7.4 is write shaded portion. You have to write shaded portion as fraction. These two parts are given to you. You have to write down the shaded portion as fraction. Arrange them in ascending and descending order. You have to arrange the fractions in ascending and descending order and then using correct sign between the fraction. Which sign you have to use? These signs you have to use while showing the ascending and descending order. So let us start. How many parts are there in the figure in the circle? Total parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total parts are 8. So in the denominator you will write down the total parts and how many are filled? 3 parts are filled. So 3 by 8 is the fraction. Next fraction will be how many parts are filled? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts are filled and total parts are 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are filled and total parts are 8. Then one part is filled in the last figure, so 1 by 8. Right? So these are the fractions. Just see these fractions having the denominator same. Here it is 8, here it is 8, here it is 8, here it is 8. So while showing the fractions in the ascending and descending order, what you will do? What is ascending order? Ascending order is when we arrange the fractions from lowest to the greatest. So first of all, we'll show ascending order. Ascending order. In fractions आपको पता कैसे चलेगा which one is greater? If denominators are same, right? If denominators are same, the number having, the fraction having the greater numerator is the greater number. In fractions में किसका numerator सबसे ज़्यादा greater है? 8, 6 by 8 का. So 6 is greater in all the fractions. So 6 by 8 is the greater fraction. Then 4 by 8, then 3 by 8, then 1 by 8 is the smallest. So here we are writing the ascending order. So smallest सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा है? 1 by 8 is the smallest. After this 3 by 8. After this 4 by 8 and lastly it's 6 by 8 is the greater. So you will put signs like this. 1 by 8 is less than 3 by 8, 3 by 8 is less than 4 by 8 and 4 by 8 is less than 6 by 8. So this is the ascending order and now we'll write down the descending order. So descending order is fractions from greatest to lowest. So greatest fraction is 6 by 8, then 4 by 8, then 3 by 8 and then 1 by 8, right? So 6 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8, 3 by 8 is greater than 1 by 8. So these are the ascending order and the descending order. Similarly, you will do the B part. You will first of all count how many parts are there in the given figure, then write the fractions for all these and then arrange them in ascending and descending order. This is your homework. Do it, and if you find any doubt in the B part, then I will do it for you. Just write in the comment box. Then come to C part. C part is show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. So we will draw the number line. This is the number line. So in the center 0, then 1 by 6 because denominators are same. 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6, 7 by 6, 7 by 6, and then 8 by 6. right? And lastly we'll write 9 by 6. You have to show 2 by 6. So 2 by 6 is here. Here is the 2 by 6. Then you have to show 4 by 6. 4 by 6 is here. Then you have to show 8 by 6 and lastly 6 by 6. 6 by 6 and 8 by 6, right? So this is the C part, and we have given one more question. Put appropriate sign. We have to put appropriate sign between the fractions given. We have given these fractions 5 by 6 and 2 by 6. So which one is greater in this? See, if denominators are same, you will see the numerator is greater, the number is greater. So in between 5 and 2, which one is greater? 5. So 5 by 6 is the greater fraction. Similarly 3 by 6 is here and 0. So if there is nothing in the denominator, you will write down the same number, that is 6. Here it is 3 by 6, so 0 by 6. So in 3 and 0, which one is greater? 3 is greater, so 3 by 6 is the greater fraction. In 1 by 6 and 6 by 6, but which one is greater? 6 by 6 is greater because 6 is greater than the 1, right? And in 8 by 6 and 5 by 6, which one is greater? 8 by 6 is greater. So this is question number 1. Let us move on to question number 2. Question number 2 is compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. We have to compare these fractions. Total 4 parts are given to us and we have to put the appropriate sign. 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. Which one is greater? See, denominators are same. First of all, check whether denominators are equal or not. So here denominators are equal, 6 and 6. So which one is greater? 3 is greater or 5 is greater? 5 is greater. So you will put sign like this. This means 5 by 6 is greater than the 3 by 6. Then come to next fraction. Next fraction is given 1 by 7 and 1 by 4. See, denominators are different. How you will do this question? If denominators are different, you will cross multiply it. Here 1 is the numerator, 1 यहाँ numerator है, यहाँ भी 1 numerator है, but denominator यहाँ 7 है and यहाँ 4 है. तो आप cross multiply कैसे करोगे? 1 into 4 and left hand side पे आप 1 into 4 ही लिखोगे, right? 1 into 4, then 1 into 7, 1 into 7. So 1 into 4 is 4 and 1 into 7 is 7. So between 4 and 7, which is greater? 7 is greater. This means 7 आपकी 1 by 4 के नीचे आया है, तो मतलब आपकी कौन सी फ्रैक्शन ग्रेटर हुई? 1 by 4 आपका ग्रेटर हो गया, राइट? मीन्स जो यहाँ पे आपका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में 1 है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है इसके डिनोमिनेटर से 1 into 4 and 1 into 7. अगर आप ऑपोजिट लिख दोगे योर आंसर विल कम आउट टू बी रॉन्ग. C part is your homework, do it yourself. Then come to D part. D part is 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. So we'll do like B part only. This was your B part. So 3 by 5, 3 by 7 denominators are different. So how you will do it? 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21 and 3 fives are 15. So which one is greater? 21 is greater. So 21 आपके पास greater है. That means 21 किस side है आपका? 3 by 5 की. That means 3 by 5 is the greater fraction. Right? So this is question number 2. Come to question number 3. Make 5 more such pairs and put appropriate sign. You have to make pairs like you have done in question number 2. So this is your homework. Do it yourself. And if you find any doubt, you can write in the chat box. Let us come on to the fourth part. Fourth part is look at the figures. We have given these figures. Just see. These figures are given to us. And write less than or greater than या equals to sign between the given pairs of the fraction. See, 1/6 एंड 1/3। 1/6 देखो यहाँ पे कहाँ पे आपके पास ये है 1/6, राइट। एंड 1/3 आपके पास कहाँ पे है, इधर है। तो आप देखो पहले कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है, 1/6 आ रहा है पहले या 1/3 आ रहा है पहले। तो जो पहले आएगा वो छोटा होगा, क्योंकि जब आप इस साइड मूव करते हो तो आपकी स्मॉलेस्ट, फिर ग्रेटर 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 होता जाता है, लाइक 0 1 2 3। तो यहाँ पे 6 की पोजीशन इधर है और इधर 1/3 की पोजीशन इधर है। तो विच वन इज ग्रेटर, 1/3 इज ग्रेटर। सिमिलरली यू विल डू द बी पार्ट, 3/4। 3/4 चेक करते हैं कहाँ पे 3/4 इसमें, ये रहा आपके पास, ये रहा 3/4। एंड 2/6, 2/6 कहाँ पे आपके पास, ये रहा 2/6। सो पहले कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है, 2/6। तो मतलब जो पहले आएगा वो छोटा होता है, तो ग्रेटर कौन सा हुआ, 3/4। दैट मीन्स 3/4 इज ग्रेटर देन 2/6, राइट। देन 2/3 एंड 2/4। 2/3 देखते हैं कहाँ पे आ रहा है आपका, ये है आपका 2/3 एंड 2/4। पहले कौन सा आ रहा है, 2/4। दैट मीन्स 2/4 इज लेस देन 2/3। 2/3 आपका ग्रेटर हो गया, right? Then there are two more parts, D part and E part. D part and E part, your homework, do it like this only and write the answer in the comment box. If you find any doubt, you can just write in the chat box. So let us come on to the fifth question. Fifth question is, how quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate sign less than, equals to or greater than. So first part is 1/2 and 1/5. How you will solve it? You will solve it by the cross multiplication method. In above questions I have told that method. A part is 1/2 and 1/5. How we'll do it? 1 into 5, 1 into 5 and 1 into 2. What you will get, 5 and 2. Which one is greater, 5 greater, और 5 किसके नीचे है, 1/2 के। That means 1/2 is the greater fraction. Then come to the B part. B part आपका है 2/4 and 3/6. Similarly you will do it, पहले 2 है इधर आपके पास, तो 2 into 6 लिखोगे आप, 2 into 6। Then आप लिखोगे 4 into 3, 4 into 3, right? So 6 2s are 12, 4 3s are 12, दोनों इक्वल आ गए, दैट मीन्स इक्वल है। तो यहाँ पे बीच में साइन क्या आ जाएगा आपका, इक्वल्स टू का साइन, राइट। देन कम टू सी पार्ट. सी पार्ट इज 3/5 एंड 2/3. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, पहले 3 है आपका, 3 into 3 एंड देन 5 into 2, कितना आया, 9 एंड 10। कौन सा ग्रेटर है, 10 ग्रेटर है, और 10 किसके नीचे है, 2/3 के। सो 2/3 इज ग्रेटर, राइट। सिमिलरली यू विल डू द डी पार्ट. डी पार्ट इज 3/4 एंड 2/8. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करिए, 3 into 8, 3 8s are 24 and 4 into 2, 8, 24 and 8. Which one is greater, 24 is greater. So 24 किसके नीचे है, 3/4 के. So 3/4 is greater, 3/4 is greater, right? So students, this is question number 5 and question number 6 we'll do in the next video.